Hey guys, so I don't know if you've noticed over some of the videos that I've done, I praise people that do good and I point out people that do bad. And I'm just trying to be real, right? And so I was hoping to praise Solid Builder. They're a 3D modeling software out of Dubuque, Iowa, and I've used them before. They're really hard to, they're not as user effective or user efficient as other platforms. But what they excel in is real tight accuracy of components and objects and stuff. But I want to show you something. So I have version 25, and what happened was I had this on a different Windows machine, and that machine is no longer operational. So I have this reinstalled. This is on a Mac running a virtual, you can see up here in the top left, virtual Windows 11 in Parallels. So here it is up in the top left. I have version 25, and it says, do you want to authorize your software? And so when I say yes, I have these numbers, but when I enter the numbers that they sent me, they work for the old Windows machine. So they're reading something off the hardware or the BIOS. I don't know. However they do it, because when I enter the numbers they sent me, it doesn't work. Every one of these fails. So I went the other route and I said, hey, because one of their options is to request codes. And I also sent a message on their website and said, hey, give me a holler because I want to put this on my on a different machine because I broke the last one. The last machine's dead. Well, not 10 minutes ago, I get a call back from Jim. He's been my regional sales guy, and he's the guy that I started with version 17, and then he worked some kind of deal and got me up to 19, and then a couple years later I called him, and then he worked me a deal to get me up to 24 with 25 as an upgrade. And I get it. He's a salesman. That's what he does. Evidently, he's doing well enough. He's still there. But I asked him to share with me the code so it would work. And he came right out and said, oh, we don't support any older versions. We only support the current version. But you're welcome to upgrade your software. Okay. Well, to upgrade the software is about $2,000. $1,900. It depends. He might be able to pull some wango tango thing down to $900 or whatever, but it's all a money grab. You know, like if they went to a subscription model, fine. If I wanted it, I would pay the subscription. But they treat it like it's a permanent license. But now it's no support for any version beyond the current version. So I've spent several $1,000s with them and used their product maybe 30 times in 5 years, maybe. I did more of it when I was doing wall panels back in Tennessee. But I only use this for stuff like if I had to print off PDFs of wall panels and stuff. I have no idea even how to remember how to draw a wall. Like here we go. Oh, whoops. See, that's not even. Oh, and then there is no edit undo. See that? So this wall is useless. So let's see. Can I click on it and delete it? Yeah, I don't know. No idea. But anyway, so the thing that kills me is, wow, I'm hitting delete and it's not deleting. Wow. Yes, I'm sure. So I'm stuck with 25. It's going to run out of its demo time in about 7 days or 8 days, whatever that little splash screen said. And then I'm never going to be able to use this again. All because I have to transfer it from one machine to another and they don't provide support. So here's what I recommend. I don't have a whole lot of followers. But I am going to tell you, avoid this software. Avoid these people. They might be good people. Maybe they bake cookies. I don't know. But as far as a business model goes, you should want to help your customers. I rarely use their software because it's difficult. And they brag about how they're the greatest, best. Everybody does that. Everybody. You know, Apple says they're better than Windows. Windows says they're better. Whatever. But the customer service that I've seen. Oh, and you know, about 6 months ago, I think I got an invoice from them demanding payment for the upgrade. I didn't sign any agreement to do an upgrade, so I ignored it. Yeah, this is the biggest waste. I'm super angry. I'm not sharing it with you because what's the point of cussing people out? But I will tell you, go look at them if you want and go see what they do. They do rafters pretty accurately and plywood cutting and laying out walls and stuff. But Nathaniel Wilkerson at Medic, BIM, he makes plugins for SketchUp that do all this. And SketchUp's way more user friendly and less expensive. And I still use Chief Architect. They're not as accurate in framing, but they're trying to get there, and I'm helping them. So yeah, I'm very disappointed in Jim, and I don't know his last name. I don't really care, but he. Oh, hey, I'm gonna have to. There you go. I'm not sending any of that. Yeah, this just frustrates the crap out of me. So there we go. Have a good one. Do what you want, but yeah, I would stay away from Solid Builder.